chest congestion, and the rescue world. It's been about 2 days. Here's where I'm updating. Okay, so I've decided that I'm gonna keep repeating that. I decided that, bump, bump, bump. I decided that, bump, bump. That I'm gonna try and make the box. I don't want to say, what's another term for shut very close, when two people are such best buds that they're really still staying away from that weird terminology for all the perverts out there. Don't want to use any woodshop terms. Oh, that's my wife. I'll be right back. Boards. Let's go over the top. At least a board and a quarter. It's so funny. I was cutting through them, and I was going to make a cut in every single one, but I was like, hold off on this. Hold off on this one. You got another one you can take 3 out of. It had a water damaged bottom. It's like, before you cut that off, why don't you just, hold on, cut a couple more out of this other one. And I'm glad I did, because now I'm going to use that other one as a top. And I can use this one, hopefully, just has to be 17 inches to go across the top. $17 Perfect, that'd go right across the top right behind that. So now I got my 2 top pieces. I'll write top on them so I don't accidentally cut them up. Okay, so now you'll kind of be pushing it down, but you really want that. You don't want it to jiggle around. You don't want it moving around, because if in transport, something will eventually wear. Now these are going to be the edges. And I'm going to put wood here. I'm going to do Mr. Woodchuck. Did somebody say wood? It's going to be right here, but you can also use them as a handle. But also connect these boards together. And then I want to put something in the space here so that it's not, so there's little to no room. And one of my first hacks I've kind of done is, well, this one's gone kind of loose, but I decided to put my power supply, I just zip tied it to my monitor around the base. That way it'll sit down flat and I can put something on top of it, like another speaker, and maybe zip tie that to something else. Really into zip ties and such, any chance I get. So this one's kind of slipping off, so I'm gonna, here, I'll go ahead and do that. thank you very much for your time, and I'll probably have that put together before I do another update. Just the wood. Did somebody say what? Just the cover around it, the case. And then I'm going to end up mounting the board to the back and mounting the PCB, the VGA. PCB and the VGA are going to be mounted to the back. Speakers. I bought some Altic Lansing speakers